I've been here 16 years, so this is like my 500th snowstorm, so I'm kind of used to it. Never ending until it's all done, but it's March 21st. How many more of these can we possibly get this season? You know what I mean? Today's the second day of spring. Come on, man. Let's get some nice weather out here soon. It's like, what is this? But hey, I'm going to go ahead and do this whole walk here. I actually had this Fitbit on, so, whew. Well, I took 16,596 steps, so what's that tell you? One of those things that you just gotta do, right? Getting out and actually moving around, you know what I mean? It actually feels kind of good. Like that over there, that's the big bobcats over there. No matter how many times you hit the horn, they don't move. That's the small one over there, and you can't even see it now, but yeah.
Honestly, to me, it's like a video game.
Sometimes the bobcats are actually the more evil of the two. And plus, you know, I'm moving around, I'm walking around, I got things moving around, you know what I'm saying? Like my bloodstream is going. Right now, we're just trying to maintain. So we'll probably use anywhere between 2 to 4 big pallets of salt. And each one of them contain 1,000 pounds of calcium. And this will not stop. Look at it. This is coming down nice and good now. I love summer. Get to cut grass on the big, big mowers to walk behind. This isn't fun for me anymore. You know what I mean? This weather is not fun. But like I said, you gotta do what you gotta do. So, trying to put a smile on and go about my life. How y'all doing? I said, I'm so used to doing this. It doesn't matter. You know, I could come in here in shorts and sandals and do this. You know what I mean? Go with the bad and just do what you gotta do.